we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Download the 7.1 surround sound software and use the activation code that came with your headset purchase. You will need a Razer ID to activate the software. Currently, the activation code is included with a purchase of Razer Kraken and Razer Kraken X.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.